And we're back with another episode of Living in Granbury and Beyond. Today we're going to be touring around the SouthBend Estates neighborhood. It's a new development here in Granbury with some awesome homes, several on water, several interior lots. Fantastic place if you're wanting to buy and build a custom home. This is one of the hot spots in Granbury right now. We're going to jump into that right now. If this is your first time to the channel, we really appreciate you tuning in to today's episode. As always, we get calls, texts, and emails from people like you that are maybe looking at Granbury, thinking about retiring, building, buying a vacation home or a waterfront home. And maybe you're 6 months out, maybe you're a year out. Feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd love the chance to connect with you, give you any advice that we can to help make that decision a little bit smoother and easier for you. So we're in SouthBend Estates. This is a development that's being taken by Kudo, who is one of the big builders in Granbury. They build great homes. This is their first development, and they're doing a fantastic job, I must say. So in this development, there are 14 waterfront homes, and these waterfront locations are premier. They are top-notch. They're on deep water, lake access, main body, fantastic lakefront lots. 14 of them, they're between 1.5 to 2 acres. Then there's 39 interior lots here in this neighborhood. 39 interior lots. I'm sitting here at lot 1, which is one of the 14 waterfront lots. I'm going to walk you back to the property here and show you what we're looking at. But we have 14 waterfront lots. We have 39 interior lots that are about an acre. And there are different restrictions for different lots. So I'm going to read through these real quick for you while you see me walking through. So these lots are lots 1 to 14 are a minimum of 3,000 square foot. These are going to be big, nice homes. Lots 15 and 16 are 2,750 square foot. 17 to 35 is 2,500 square foot. And 47 to 53 is 2,500 square foot. So there's nothing in the neighborhood under 2,500 square foot. We're out here looking at the edge of lot 1 right now, and this is, it's hard to capture, but we're on main body. We're on main body here. Just a fantastic opportunity for a lot, for a property. This is, I mean, the views, it's hard to capture the views with the video camera, as I've said before, but man, they are awesome. Fantastic views here. So this one's gonna be about 1.5 acres, lot 1. And yeah, fantastic waterfront lot. There are several lots that are still available out here, but I'm not sure which all ones are available. So if you have any interest and want to know what lots are still available, I can reach out to Kudo and get a list of those and get some pricing for you. As far as amenities and things, this is just going to be a gated community. As far as amenities, the HOA fees out here are $900 annually, which is really not bad. That's actually fantastic for an HOA. It is a gated community, so you will have to go through a gate. So you have some security features there. Other than that, it's just a beautiful community. It's well designed, well taken care of. I have access to all of the HOA restrictions, the CCRs, covenant restrictions, and all of that if you're interested. We're gonna take a look at a property or two in the neighborhood. I got some drone footage that I'm gonna get of the entire neighborhood. We're gonna do a Google map view so you can see where this is located off of G Road. I'm gonna show you on the map, and we're gonna highlight where it's at, how far it is to town. It's about 30 minutes to Fort Worth from here. To be in the center of Granbury, like to HEB, you're probably talking 8 to 10 minutes. So good location, fantastic spot, great waterfront lots, and just a beautiful community overall. So we're gonna jump in, go look at a property or two and do a little bit of drone footage, and we'll see you back at the office where we do the map tour. All right, we're looking at a property here on Explorer Lane. There's actually 2 properties on Explorer, 1208 and 1212. They're both pretty similar in terms of price and size. They are on 1 acre lots. This one here is listed at $739,000. It is 2,700 square foot. It's sitting on 1 acre, built in 2023, 4 bed, 3 bath, in one of the interior lots here in SouthBend Estates. So I think the lowest price you're gonna possibly get out here is probably gonna be in the $650,000, $675,000. You might get to 600. They have on the signs starting at 600. So if you went minimal everything, you could probably get to 600. More likely, you're going to be closer to 650 on the smaller homes, 2,500. This is 2,700 square foot. The smallest you can go is 2,500 on a few of the lots. So you have a great opportunity to get something a little bit smaller out here, which is definitely going to appreciate and value very well. These are very nice homes, well laid out. I can show you some photos and stuff interior if you're interested. Just give me a call, shoot me a text, and we can set up a video tour inside if it's something that you'd like to see. Yeah, so 2 properties here. There are others that'll be coming available as well. We'll keep an eye on those. So if this is a neighborhood that you think you might like, just ping me. We'll set up a call and we can discuss kind of anything that's coming up in the future, and also set up notifications if anything comes up that you might like as far as a spec home. We can work on that as well. There are several opportunities to buy a lot and build a custom home. If you'd like to explore any of those options, we'd love the chance to chat with you about that as well.
All right, we're wrapping up our tour around SouthBend Estates. We've gone out there, we got some drone footage we're gonna look at. I have a Google map view we're gonna pull up. We're even gonna go look at 2 of the listings that we looked at while we were out in the neighborhood. We're gonna look at the MLS listing so you can see the photos and stuff inside, price point clarifications, and yeah, so we'll wrap everything up here. Hope you've enjoyed the tour so far. So I'm gonna share my screen. And we are at 1212 Explorer Lane. We were in front of this house while we were there in South Bend. We were looking at this property. It is actually at $699. It started at $729. It's actually dropped to $699. And it is 2,700 square foot. And we can see some of the inside interior photos here. Nice floors, nice finishes, nice mantel, open kitchen area. We'll want to go to the Google map view. So we are looking specifically at SouthBend Estates, which is a little small neighborhood within Granbury. Where is it located? Well, if you go down Fall Creek Highway from 377, 377 is going to run here. Fall Creek is going to run right here. And you're going to run down Fall Creek Highway, and you're going to take a right on a little street called G Road. G-E-E Road. A couple of friends live down this road. So you go down G Road, and it'll be a small little subdivision off to the right. There is a small little oil field thing set up here, which is kind of an eyesore. I'm sure that some folks don't prefer that being there, but from inside the neighborhood, you really can't see it. The entrance to the neighborhood is here. I've got a photo of that I will have posted in here as well so you can see. And yeah, so this neighborhood, if you look at it, it's about 30 minutes from Fort Worth. Quick access up here to 377. Quick access to Fort Worth. Very quick access to HEB. If you wanted to go to Granbury Square, you would just go over here and take a left right here. And you'd run down to the square and kind of go out this way. So great location, beautiful waterfront views. Man, we looked at lot 1 while we were out there on site today. Beautiful waterfront views. I mean, they are fantastic. Really, if that's something that you're looking for, I really highly recommend you check out this community for sure before you make a final decision. So drone footage. We're gonna go look at drone footage. So we're flying up, and you can see main body of the lake is right here, and there are some spectacular homes out here that are on these waterfront lots. I mean, just incredible homes. We're going to look at one over here to my left, one of my favorite homes in the entire city of Granbury. It is phenomenal. So I'm excited for you to see that. So right here, you have the main body, it turns. So man, just beautiful views here. Let me back up just a touch. Back up just a little bit. So lot 1, where I was walking on site, was right here. I walked all the way to the end here. This is where I was at when I was walking there on site on the property. So I'm going to pull up and give you an aerial of basically the whole subdivision. So we pause it here. We're looking basically turning into the neighborhood right here in the South Bend. All right, so you have a good bird's eye view of everything here. Great views of the lake. I can't say enough, and these waterfront lots are just phenomenal. All right, so one of my favorite homes in the entire city is this one right here. It is a beauty. I love the pool in the backyard, the retaining wall. It looks like it has a 6-car garage. It has a nice pool house as well. Obviously, it's got a dock down at the bottom of the hill. It is just a beautiful home. The white one, here is beautiful as well, but this one it really caught my eye. Really well done and laid out well. Fantastic. So, all right, this is the drone footage. This kind of gives you South Bend Estates. You see what it is. You see what sort of properties are available. If you have any questions about this neighborhood, feel free to shoot me a call, give me a text, send me an email. I'd love the chance to visit with you and see if there's anything I can do to help out. What we're doing right now is we're going and highlighting some of the neighborhoods that don't get as much notoriety here in Granbury, especially the newer ones. And we're going to highlight those and put a series of videos together, Granbury neighborhoods, and we're going to hit them basically one at a time, give you a few homes that are for sale, give you the specs, lay out some of the stipulations for restrictions and stuff like that. So if you have any particular neighborhoods you want me to hit, it doesn't have to be in Granbury. You want me to go to Crescent or Weatherford or whatever, just give me a call. Let me know. I'd love the chance to help out. We had someone reach out, ask me to do the Bitcoin mine, put that together. So love to get some feedback from the listeners. Love to hear from you. And if I don't hear from you, hope to see you around Granbury sometime.